So finally you click on my thumbnail and I know your problem. So you are also confusing about color whilst you are designing a website or any branding material, logos. So guys, don't worry, I have a solution for you. 3 simple and amazing websites where you can choose colors for your next design project. Let's jump into these 3 websites. So this is the website I designed and all the color palettes I choose from these 3 websites, and this color is green and gold. And look this color, this is very amazing, this is very minimal and also attractive color. So yeah friend, just open your browser and open Google and just tap Adobe Color. Here you have a link in the top, just click on the Adobe Color and this is the website. It's loading. So yeah, in the Adobe Color website you have a 4 option: create, explore, trends and libraries. So first one is create. In the create section you have an option to create color according to your need. So you have a circle in the middle, so you can play with it. In this circle you have a 5 palettes in the bottom, so you can just choose whatever color you want and it's reflect in the bottom color palettes. So here you have a hex code, just copy it and use it in your website or use it in your design. So in the left side you have a more option like analogs. In analogs you got a 5 option. In monochromatic you got 2 option. So with 2 option you have a multiple shades of one color. So this is also amazing. A trade one, this you have these 3 circles. So the same thing here as well. So just select whatever color you want and it reflect in your color palettes. So complementary colors, here's you have like a green and also a red shade. So this is a multiple option. You have a custom option as well where you can just create your custom palettes. So yeah guys, this is a one example. So let's open the second tab, explore. So in explore tab you have a predefined all color palettes, but amazing thing is you have a search bar at the top, and in the search bar you just type the keyword. Okay, if you are working with a website, like for example if you are working wine industry website, okay, so you just type wine and just search for the keyword. Okay, so here's amazing thing, you get all the wine related color. Okay, so here's for example you have a 3 option. You have a download option, you have a appreciate option, or you have a add to library option. Add to library is like if you have a Adobe account already, then you just click on the add to library and this color palette is added to your library. And mostly I am using like download as a JPG. I just download the file and just drag it to my designing software and just I use the color. So you guys also do the same. So let's jump into the third tab, it's trends. So in trends tab you have a lot of categories, okay, related to the real life, like fashion, graphic design, illustrations, and lot of categories here. You can just download or add it to your library and use in your design. Another one is for graphic designs. Okay, so here's all the graphic designs palette, so you can use these colors as well. Also illustration, if you are creating illustrations where mostly lot of colors are used, you can have that download as a JPG or add it to your library and just use in your illustrations, and you can create your own amazing illustrations with these colors. Another is architectures, game designs, wilderness, flavor, travels. Here one more option is view more. So when you click on the view more, you get all the color palettes related to one keyword like a flavor, and when you click on the view more you get all the flavors color. And this is the library part. So in the library part you have all the colors which you are already added to your library. So yeah guys, this is Adobe Color. So guys, let's jump into another website. This is Color Hunt. The website name is colorhunt.co. In the Color Hunt you have a lot of palettes. Here one amazing thing, in the search bar when you just click on the search bar you have a category for the colors and also for the collections. So you can choose any color here. If you are using a blue color or green or red and pink, whatever color you want, just click on the blue. All the blue color palettes are loading here, and you can have a lot of color palette option here. And one amazing thing here, you don't need to like write the code name for the color. Just click on the code here, just click on it and it's copied. In this website you have a 4 option like new and popular. In the popular part you have all time popular colors, and you can also just copy the color code here and use it in your design. Another one is random. It's a random tab. When you click on it, all the random colors are appear here. So here one more option is for the add to collection. When you click on this add to collection, it's added to your collection, and in the future you also have that like collections, and just use it in your design. So yeah guys, this is another website like Color Hunt. It's really amazing. So these are the 2 websites, okay. And third one is really amazing. This is a random color, okay. The website name is hackscolor.co, okay. You just type in Google hackscolor.co and this website is appear here. Here's a wonderful thing. You have a full circle, flower circle here. It's animated. Let me show you. So when you click on this refresh button here, all the color are changed. It's really amazing. So here's you have a 2 shades. One is dark shade and one is light shade. When you click on the dark shade here, you have a dark shade option for all these one color, okay. This is a purple, and in the purple here you have a lot of dark shades. When you click on a light one, so you have a light shades for particular one color, and when you click on refresh, the color is reflected, another one. If you are using a random color in your website, just use this website. This is really amazing website guys. This is really amazing. I personally use this website a lot in my design projects. Just refresh and all the colors are changed. Every refresh you get a new color. You should also use this. So yeah guys, these are the 3 websites only for color palettes, okay. If you are confusing on a color palettes, just use these 3 simple websites. So yeah friends, if you like these 3 websites and my video, then share your comment below. Also please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more upcoming tips and tricks related to UI UX and product designs and much more guys. Thanks for watching. Let's meet in the next video guys. Bye bye.